How to easily convert GGives to GCash wallet without using GoPay. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm here with an easy to follow guide on converting your GGives balance into your GCash wallet. And the best part is that you don't need to go play at all. This is a straightforward process that anyone can do, so let's dive in. Step 1 is head over to a GCash payout outlet near you. Before you go, make sure to bring a valid ID for verification. It's a required step to process the transfer. So once you're at the outlet, let the staff know you want to convert your GGives balance to your GCash wallet, and they'll help you link your account and initiate the process seamlessly. Step 2 is open the Grocery app if you don't have it installed. Download it from your app store and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Grow Coins icon at the top of the app and tap it. This is where you'll begin the actual transfer process. And next, choose the GCash option from the list of available services. Enter the amount of GGives you want to convert, ensuring it matches the balance you wish to transfer. So once you've done that, the app will send a confirmation code to your registered mobile number. And don't worry if it takes a few moments, it usually arrives pretty quickly. When you receive the code, simply enter it into the app and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your GGives balance is now successfully transferred to your GCash wallet. You can now use it for payments, transfers, or saving. It's entirely up to you. The process is quick, simple, and doesn't require GoPlay at all. If this guide made your life easier, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.